Please all participants reply me. I need response from all participants because it is a live training and I need to response from all participants because we will work each and every step live. Okay, I think maximum participant answer is install both. Please, if anyone don't have, please don't hesitate, let me know. I will guide you how to install, how to download. Okay, the answer from all participant is yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, now you have two tools. One is R and second is RStudio. Please all participants open your desktop. Please all participants open your desktop. In desktop, you can find a file name, icon name R4.4.2. Please confirm you have this file in desktop.
Hello? Yeah, hello?
Please confirm me. Have you this file in desktop? If you
Yeah,
have,
copy this
type yes.
current terms.
So I have this file in desktop, so I am typing here yes. My answer is yes. Okay. If your answer is yes, you have this icon in desktop. Click on this icon. You will get a page like this. It is a R programming. R programming platform where you can run and write R programming language. So in R programming language, you can see a single screen. You can perform all tasks in this screen. For example, I'm typing here 5 plus 6. Press enter button, it will give you answer. Plus, it will give you its answer. So you will work on in a single screen. On the other hand, you also have installed RStudio. So please close this screen, save, press no. It will close this screen. No. Please come on your window, search bar at the bottom of your screen. Here is the search bar. Type here to search. Type here RStudio. It will give you an icon like this, RStudio app. Here you will get two icons. One is RStudio exe file. Other is RStudio app. So we need RStudio app, not exe file. Exe file is an installation setup, but we have already installed, so we need to click on RStudio app. So please all participants click on this RStudio app. You will get a message RStudio from poised version name and other information. After a few minutes, you will get a screen like this. I have opened RStudio successfully, so I am typing here done. Please click on RStudio app and open this and type done. If any participant is facing issue or unable to open, you can please let me know. Don't worry, Muhammad Ashrafullah Amin. Please all participants respond. Okay. Now, when you open RStudio, it will show you three screens. But here is a button in screen number one with minimize and maximize. Here is the minimize and maximize button. Click on this button. It will show you four screens. No, I have four screens. So please all participant confirm have four screens. No, I have four. So I am typing here four. Please all participant respond me. You have four screen. But there is a message from Bango. I have problem opening. Okay, Bango, please open your mic and also share your screen. I have allowed you so that I can resolve your issue. Please share your screen. I have allowed you. You can also open your mic. Bango, please let me know.
Yeah, I'm trying to open.
Okay. Please share your screen. Can you share?
Yeah,
Okay, please share your screen.
yeah, this is my screen.
Yes, it's sharing, but not visible. There is a message has started screen sharing. Yes, no, it's visible. Okay, please search bar, click on search bar.
Yeah, here.
Search bar.
Yeah, I clicked on it.
Yes, here is the RStudio. Click on RStudio.
Okay, it's open.
Yes, you have RStudio. Okay, maximize the screen. Click on maximize button. Main button,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay, now your RStudio is working. So
Yeah,
I am sharing my screen and want to show
okay,
some other step on my screen.
okay.
Okay, thank you. No, I want to say your screen is looking like this, a half screen. Here is a button for maximize. When you click on this button, it will show you full screen. Okay, now I think all participants have four screens. Now before moving to next step, first we need to understand the difference between R and RStudio and which tool is we will used for data analysis and visualization. So here is we have two tools. One is R. First tool is R. Second is the RStudio. RStudio. Okay. Dr. Sohail, can you open your mic?
Yeah,
Okay. Sir, I want to ask few questions so that I
yeah,
can
sure.
explain what is the difference between R and RStudio.
Uh,
Okay, thank you, sir.
you okay.
Okay. For example, you have two cars. Have two cars. One is car A, car A, and car B. For example, Here is car A and car B. Car A is looking like this, while car B is like this. Okay, now you have two cars and you want to travel from your home to office. Here is your home and here is your office. And the distance between home and office is about 60 kilometer. Okay, and Dr. Sohail, which car you want to drive? Car A,
Obviously, car B.
car B. And other
Yeah.
participant, please, your response. Car B. I need response from all participant. Car B. Okay. Next question is, Dr. Sohail, why you choose car B? Yes, Dr. Sohail.
Actually, it's totally based on the appearance of the car.
Appearance and comfortable zone.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And although this car, you can drive this car, it is in working condition, but you choose car B because it is looking well, comfortable, and easy to drive. But why we not choose car A? Because when you drive car A, you may face lot of hurdles, lot of difficulties during your journey. Your task is from home to office, reach office from home. So your task is this. Your task is not to fight with rain. If you drive this car, you may face rain, you may face sunlight, you may face dust, you may face noise, and other type of hurdles you may face when you drive this car. Although you can run this car, but when you drive this car, you may avoid all these things. So car B is the best option. But Dr. Sahel, if I say there is no engine in car B, it is just a frame in your home. No, what you do? You have only one option, car A.
Then obviously I will choose the car A, whether it is not well designed, not well equipped with according to the weather or other condition, but I will choose with A because this have the engine, so at least
It's working.
might be so. Yeah,
You can complete your task from home to office.
yeah.
But when you drive car A, your task is from home to office, but you may face a lot of other hurdles. So if I say there is no engine in car B, so it is just a frame. It's mean without engine, there is no value this comfortable, this expensive frame. It is just a frame piece of a box. So engine is very compulsory. Engine is very important. So if I say car A is the R programming, car A is the R programming, and car B is the engine. Car B is the RStudio. Car B is RStudio. So RStudio is just a frame. Without engine, there is no value of car B. So if you pick the engine of car A and add in car B, then car B is in working condition. Can you do it? Your answer may be yes. So if you pick the engine of car A and adjust in car B, no. Actually, you are working on car A, but within the frame of car B. Engine, actual working is the engine. Actual work is for engine, and while frame is nothing without engine. So we need a engine in this frame. So we fit the engine of R into RStudio. Similarly, car A, when we run our analysis in R programming, as I have showed in earlier, here is the R programming. If I run all these analysis in R programming, we may face a lot of hurdles. It is very difficult for us to run direct R programming. So data analyst find a solution. Pick this engine and adjust it into car B, into RStudio. Similarly, in our car A and car B, in car B, engine of car A is working. Similarly, in RStudio, RStudio is just a frame. In RStudio, R is working. You can check in second screen. Here is the R incorporated into RStudio. Please all participants confirm. Have you R 4.4.2 into RStudio in screen number 2? Please reply me yes or no. My answer is yes. Please check and confirm. Yes, it means we have adjusted the engine of car A with car B. Now please confirm me. Now you have a clear idea about what is the R and what is the RStudio. Actually, we will work on RStudio, but our base or our engine is the R. Clear? If clear, please type clear. If you have any question at this stage, you can ask. Okay, clear. Okay, thank you. And now I want to move to next step. Now we have clear idea about what is R and what is the RStudio. Now next step is you can see 4 screens in my PC. Screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, screen number 4. Please remember these numbers. You can take it screenshot for future. This is screen number 1. This is screen number 2, screen number 3, screen number 4. When I say please open screen number 1, you need to click on this screen number 1. When I say please check screen number 2, you need to focus on screen number 2. When I say please come on screen number 3, you need to check screen number 3. When I say please come on screen number 4, you need to check this last screen. So screen number 1, 2, 3, 4. Although these screens have number, but also have some specific names. So R is the programming language, and each and every language have vocabulary and grammar. So R also have vocabulary and grammar. For example, you can see in my screen number 1, there are some sentences. First is R, second is RStudio, third is have two cars, car A and car B. In these words, only hashtag is the R language word. Only hashtag is the R language word. These are English language words. These are not belong to R programming language. The word hashtag is the R programming language word. Its mean hashtag. Hashtag mean heading. When you want to add any heading in screen number 1, you need to type hashtag. Then type any line. For example, I want to add heading first class introduction of R. So it is the heading. Hashtag mean heading. You can also write comments. You can also write comments such as I have write a comment RStudio have two cars. These are comments. You can also make notes here, but with hashtag. Without hashtag, when you type any line without hashtag, are considered this line as a script. No. If I write a line here, you can check its color is black. Have two cars. Its color is black. No R is considering it as a script, but it is not a script. It is not a R language. When I run this line, click anywhere in this line, here is a run button. It will give me an error, unexpected symbol in have to. So R is unable to understand what is mean by have to. So give a hashtag. When you give hashtag, R don't read this line. For example, now I give a hashtag. If I run this line, R don't read this line. Ignore this one. So hashtag mean heading comments are notes. It is not for R. It's for us. It's for guidelines. For example, I am again writing a line 5 plus 5. You can check its color is blue. When I run this line, it will give me answer 10. But if I give hashtag and run this line again, it's not giving me any answer. It's not giving me any answer because R is unable to read this one. So hashtag mean heading, notes, comments, while the word without hashtag mean script. Okay, now I want to explain these 4 screens. So here is the hashtag. Hashtag mean headings, comments or notes. So screen number 1. Screen number 2. Screen number 3. Screen number 4. These are the numbers, but these 4 screens have some specific names. For example, the name of screen number 1 is script file. Script. The name of the screen number 2 is console. The name of the screen number 3 is global environment. Global environment. And the name of screen number 4 is plots or packages file. So we have 4 screens, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The name of the screen number 1 is script file, screen number 2 console, screen number 3 global environment, and screen number 4 plot or packages. No. Each and every screen have specific role. For example, screen number 1. The role of the screen number 1, or you can say function of the screen number 1. What is the function of screen number 1? I need to also give hashtag because it is not a code function. So function of the screen number 1, we can use it for script writing. We can write script writing. Screen number 2, console. When we write a script and run, it will give answer. When we write a script in screen number 1, it will give answer in screen number 2, maybe in screen number 3, or maybe in screen number 4. If the answer is in the form of table, paragraph, or error message, will appear in screen number 2. If the result of script appear in the form of file or data, it will appear in screen number 3. If the result of script file in the form of plot will appear in screen number 4. No, I want to show practically. No, I want to show this practically. Okay, please all participant, you can do practice with me. Type data. When you type data, it will give you suggestion. Select first option. When you type data, it will give you suggestion. Select data. And it will give you brackets. Within bracket, type iris. When you type iris, it will give you again suggestion. Select iris. So it is the script. So screen number 1 used for script writing. I have write a script in screen number 1. No. Click anywhere in this line. And here is the run button. When I run this line, it will show me result in screen number 3. This one. It means the result of this script is in the form of file. So file appeared in screen number 3. If I click on it, it will show me detailed overview in screen number 1. You can close this file by clicking on this cross button. So here is the cross button. You can click on this button. It will disappear. You can also clean this screen number 2 with brush button. Here is brush button. Okay. Now next step is I am typing here str iris and click run button. It will show me result in screen number 2. So result in the form of table, paragraph or error message will appear in screen number 2. So result appeared in screen number 2. And if the result of the script in the form of plot iris, it will appear in screen number 4. We can use screen number 1 for script writing. I have write 3 script. One script is line number 20, 22, 25. When I run line number 20, first script, it will show me result in screen number 3. When I run line number 22, its result appeared in screen number 2. When I run line number 25, its result appeared in screen number 3. So file or data will appear in screen number 3. Results in the form of table or paragraph will appear in screen number 2, and results in the form of plot will appear in screen number 4. Okay, please all participants confirm me. Have you done and clear? Biko, don't worry. It is a built-in data set which is already found in R programming. You don't worry. Yes, I am waiting. You can do, please.
That's up. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Actually, when I write str, then it showed me the first I choose, and then I write the iris, but it doesn't perform the analysis after run.
Can you share your screen? Can you show me your screen?
Yes, now it's performed. Yes, actually, it was a small error. Now it's performed. Now it's done.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, please, if you have any question, you can ask. If clear, type clear.
Can you please elaborate what is the str function?
We will learn step by step, don't worry. Our today focus will be on how these screens are working.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we will work all these step by step, don't worry. In our today class, the objective of this class, how these screens are working. Screen number 1, we can use screen number 1 for script writing. When we write script and we will write and run script, it will show us result in 3 screens. Its result may be in screen number 1, maybe in screen number 3, or maybe in screen number 2, 3 or 4. If table, it will appear in screen number 2. If it is result in the form of any file, it will appear in screen number 3, and if in the form of graph, it will appear in screen number 4. Okay, Muhammad Ashraf, please, you can open your mic.
Hello. Yes, thank you for your those comments. I have done those comments on my first screen, and I have got all the things that you have shown. But my one question is how this data will find in my computer? It is built. Is it built-in data that you?
Yes. Iris is already built-in dataset and it is a part of R programming. It is the part of R programming. Already found in R. When you installed R, it will automatically installed. Okay, thank you. And in our next class, we will work what is working directory and what are packages. So there is a very, very important topic. What is working directory? What is the working directory? And second question will be what are packages and how to install and activate packages in R. So we will learn these two topic in our tomorrow class. Okay, and if you have any further question, I have opened your WhatsApp group. You can discuss within group or you can also ask questions within group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.